Here's how to make a stand in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to show you exactly how to make that stand and how to set up game passes so that people can start donating directly to you. The first thing you're going to do at the bottom right is to tap on the More button. After you've done that, scroll down until you find Create and tap on Create. After you've done that, tap on the three lines at the top left, and then tap on Creations right under Home. You can see here is my place. Keep in mind, if your place is private, you need to set it to public. So tap on the place, and then tap on the three dots at the top right, and make sure it says Make Private here. If it says Make Public, just tap on it to make it public. After you've done that, just tap on the place to open it up. Next, tap on the three lines at the top left. Scroll down from here, and if monetization is closed, open up monetization and tap on passes midway down. You can see the ability to create new passes, but here are old passes that I have that have a current price and they're enabled. So tap Create a Pass and scroll down. Enter in the name. Keep in mind you do need a name on here. So I'm just going to name this Hawaii and hit the check mark. After that, scroll down and hit Create Pass. I'll just do everything on my iPhone from here on out because it's the exact same on Android and iPhone. So scroll down and here's Hawaii, but if I scroll over, it says it's off sale. So we need to set a price to this and make sure that it is on sale. To be able to do that, I'm going to go back and tap on that pass that you just created. Tap on the three lines at the top left, and then tap on Sales under Basic Settings. Toggle on Item for Sale and set a default price. Keep in mind, Roblox does take 30% of this, so you'll only get 70% of whatever you choose to enter in here. I'm going to, in this case, enter in 75 Robux, and then tap Save Changes. After I've done that, you can see if I scroll down to Hawaii, it should say on sale. However, maybe this just needs to be refreshed. You might need to just close out of it, but that will be working at that point. Next, tap the X at the top left. Tap on Home at the bottom left. And scroll down to Please Donate. And let's make our own stand. Tap the Play button at the bottom right. And now from here, just navigate to wherever that stand may be that is empty. So you can see it says your text here. Go up to it, tap and hold on Claim Stand. And just like that, you can see there's the stand. On here, I can change the text. I can also change which passes are available. And people at that point will start to be able to donate money or Robux directly to me. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.